Hello and welcome back to my channel R91 Motors. My channel is about to save as much money as we can for you and myself. I do the minimum to 5 videos each bike, sometimes to 10 to 15. It depends on the condition and the project we're doing it. So you see my previous video about how to remove rear fairings. This video is going to be how to remove your tank fairings from the beginning, step by step. I do this myself for first time. I did something with LXR previously, but this is LXS model, so it's a little bit different for now, but the videos will come up about this bike quite a lot. Probably we're going to replace the coolant, and when we finish this project it's gonna be a proper review. So let's crack on and remove these tank fairings. So to be honest, I just literally, what you do when you got a couple of pieces off, just go look around what we got and what's what. So we can see the 10 mils is in here. Also we got 2 Allen keys in here, so that's what I see so far. We're gonna see. So we undo these 2 Allen keys. We don't touch this one for now because I don't know, is it coming up each side separate or it just come off as an all piece together. So 1, 2, we got 10 mil in here. Also I see 1 10 millimeters in here, and obviously the tank lock will still come off. So same as this side, 1 boy up there, 1 boy in here, and a 2 up there, same. So let's remove these and see where we are. Just take small Allen key. Basically, first of all, what you can do, open your tank and see what bolts we have to take it off. So we got 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. So also this one, be careful with this one, because if it goes inside, you're going to be unlucky. So before I actually undo any of these, I'm gonna put some clothes or something just to basically lock this hole to make sure nothing gets in it. So basically just use something like this. You know, we don't want to get nothing really inside, and start one by one.
This one comes off. Also remember, because this is the liquid cooled engine,
when I'm gonna remove all fairings, obviously what you want to do, even you don't have a problem or nothing to do with the coolant or nothing, but I would just suggest you to actually just have a look on any oil leaks in engine. I know this is pretty brand new bike, I know the condition outside is not the best, but still we need to check the coolant level and everything else, just to save basically time on the future. So if you got all the fairings or everything off, whatever you do, you respray your fairings or changing something else, I don't know, whatever reason is, just basically make sure that you replace the liquids and everything else if they have to be replaced. It basically saves your time in the future. So nice. So we got this boy off in here. Those screws. Oh, take this off as well. A little bit with the petrol. And see if it comes off just like this. Something is on our way. What we got in here? Let me place the camera on the table and try something out. So what we got in here is another plug, which I just break it, as I said. I mean, unfortunately, these boys in here, this is already the second one I broke it. It's quite big, and I was pushing out, and it still broke. I mean, the plastic quality is not the best. So yeah, it's a shame, to be honest. I will try. I got special tools to actually got this back, like steel glue or something, like not steel glue, it's like a coils, and you basically heat them up, and the job is, it does the job, to be honest, really good. But yeah, tank fairing is off, and good video, I think. Pretty easy, nothing complicated. Again, I will tell you about the these plugs, the clips and stuff like this. Just be careful. This is the second one already broke. Luckily I have the tools to actually fix them. I don't need to buy new fairings, or I'm not going to use the glue. I have special tools for it, especially for the plastic, like a broken plastic. From inside you can like weld them together, and it holds better than original. So if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. The more videos coming out about this bike is going to be another 3 to 5 videos, the minimum. Also the last one's going to be review. This is LXS125 plate, Lexmoto. Also got videos about LXR previously. All fairings did come off as well. That was a project bike again as this one. And quickly, what's in here? Basically little access, little tank full. And yeah, next video we got these fairings coming off, and then I want to respray this bike. I want to make something very similar to Yamaha YZF. Don't judge me, it's just me. You know, I want to do something a little bit different. This bike looks good, but it's all damaged, like scratched off and broken pieces from outside. The handlebar clip is broken. Also about that one, guys, if you want to buy the bike, or if you broke your right side, especially acceleration right side, the clip, it's a big struggle to get them. I called the UK Lexmoto, I called the Chinese Bikes UK, eBay, Amazon, Marketplace, Gumtree. To be honest, any place I know, and no chance. No right ones. All left ones. You got left ones plenty up there, but the right ones is all out of stock. So today is January, which is 30th of January, Monday, and I called the Lexmoto UK dealer, and they said it's only mid-February. So I have plenty of time with this bike. I want to do what I do, and hopefully by then I can get the clip and also make a video about how to replace it. I mean, it's probably going to be easy as, but still, this is new bike, not a lot of videos out there, so why not? I will do these videos for you, like I said, to save money for you and myself, not wasting going to garages and ordering expensive parts, which you can buy yourself the same part for much cheaper money, for not any extra cost, and replace yourself as well. And that's what he's going to do. It's going to give you a little bit of savings and also experience. So next time, if you got any problem with your bike, you can do yourself. So yeah, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.